Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the cheapest screen protector case combo on Amazon that I could find. And this I think came in around $8. It was for sure under 10. And it was a 2-pack of screen protectors, and it also came with this little clear TPU case as well. Like I said, for under $8, very good deal. The screen protector was easy to install. I didn't have any issues getting it on. It's kind of the one you put over it. It's got the the slightly adhesive back that's in 2 parts, and then you peel one and squeegee it on, peel one and squeegee it on. So it went on very easy. It went on straight. I don't have any overlap, or it's not crooked or anything like that. So for $8, I can't complain at all. Screen protectors and cases for the OnePlus 11 have been relatively hard to find since it came out. There are some, coming out now, but this was readily available. I got it on Amazon, 1-day delivery. So I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. I will leave a link down in the description. Not too much to show on it. I just wanted to make a little PSA there. If you're looking for screen protectors or cases for your OnePlus 11, that is, probably the best deal you can get for under 10 bucks right here. 2-pack of screen protectors and this clear case as well. But that is a screen protector for the OnePlus 11. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.